You think you're ready for farm life? Let's find out. Can you walk through a minefield of poop and not flinch? Bonus points if it's flip-flops. Does the sound of goats screaming while your child eats dirt bring you peace? Would you be okay collecting only one egg after getting pooped on, after raising 6 hens, building a chicken coop, and getting pecked in the face? Do you enjoy early morning walks in all types of temperatures, carrying 5-gallon buckets, uphill, both ways? Can you complete basic tasks without your goats trying to fight you for your pants? If you related to any of this, congratulations. You're either ready for farm life or you're way too far gone to turn back.